In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add median indicators on TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type in, and how to get median indicators showing up cleanly on your charts without any confusion. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is the same. Once your chart is up, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually found along the main toolbar above your chart area. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This will open a new window or panel with a variety of tools and options you can use to enhance your analysis. Inside this Indicators window, you'll see different categories. What we want to focus on is the section labeled Technicals. This is where TradingView keeps its core technical indicators such as moving averages, oscillators, and of course, indicators related to medians. Click on the Technicals tab to narrow things down and make it easier to find exactly what you're looking for. Once you're in the Technicals section, find the search bar near the top of that panel. This search bar is the fastest way to locate specific indicators without scrolling through a long list. Click on the search field so your cursor is active there and you're ready to type. Now, in that search bar, type the word median. As you start typing, TradingView will automatically filter and show you all indicators that match what you entered. You should see options that include the word median, such as median-based tools or indicators that use median price calculations. When you see the median indicator you want to use, simply click on it and it will be added directly to your chart. After the indicator appears on your chart, you can usually customize it by clicking on the settings icon next to its name in the chart's legend area. Here, you can adjust things like colors, line styles, and sometimes the calculation length or source. Take a moment to tweak these settings so the indicator is easy to read and fits your personal chart style. If you're using TradingView Pro or thinking about upgrading, be sure to check the link in my description to sign up. Using that link helps support the channel and may give you access to features that make working with indicators smoother and more flexible. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to quickly add median indicators to your TradingView Pro charts so you can start incorporating them into your technical analysis right away.